Okay, picture this. It's March 2026. The world of work? It's been totally rewired. AI isn't some sci-fi concept we talk about anymore. No, it's the new operating system for pretty much every business out there. And the question on everyone's mind isn't if AI is going to change things, but how do you survive and actually thrive in this brand new reality? So let's break down what this new world looks like and what you're going to need in your survival kit to navigate it.
First things first, let's get one thing straight. AI is not coming soon. It's here, right now. It's already woven into our daily workflows, and I mean across every industry you can think of. And the proof? It's all over the headlines, from the trading floors to the factory floors.
You look at finance, and you've got giants like Goldman Sachs and Deutsche Bank already testing out these autonomous AI agents to watch over trades. I mean, that's a complete game changer for compliance and security.
And it's not just high finance, not at all. You've got massive consumer brands like Coca-Cola turning to AI to completely reinvent their marketing, trying to find new ways to connect with you and me when the old strategies just aren't cutting it anymore.
But you know, this whole transition, it's not always a smooth ride. The big push for AI is creating some real tension. Poorly planned rollouts are actually leading to job cuts, a pretty stark reminder that the human cost of all this change is very, very real.
And this wave reaches all the way to heavy industry. You've got companies like Hitachi betting big that AI is going to revolutionize not just our digital world, but our physical one too. Everything from manufacturing to robotics. The message here is crystal clear. No sector is left untouched.
So with AI spreading this fast and this wide, it's created a monster of a problem, a skills gap so enormous that we have to measure its cost in trillions of dollars.
Yeah, that's the number. According to research from IDC, a mind-boggling $5.5 trillion of economic value is at risk simply because companies can't find people with the right AI skills. This isn't just a small hiccup, it's a massive roadblock for innovation and growth across the globe. And when you've got that kind of economic risk floating around, it creates some deep, deep anxiety. A recent session at MWC Barcelona was literally called Job Apocalypse. Kind of says it all, right? It just perfectly captures the fear a lot of us knowledge workers are feeling about our careers right now. And this isn't a problem for just a few struggling businesses. The scale of this is staggering. Over 90% of global companies are dealing with a critical shortage of AI talent. This has become a universal crisis.
And this gets right to the heart of the matter. The future isn't about every single one of us becoming an AI developer. Nope. It's about all of us learning to work with AI. IDC is predicting that almost half of all jobs at the world's top companies are going to require direct collaboration with AI agents. And soon. Your job is changing, no matter what it is you do.
Okay, so if that's the problem, what's the solution? How do you even begin to prepare for a world where working alongside AI is just the new normal? Well, the answer seems to lie in mastering what some folks are starting to call the new tech trinity. Think of this as your new career survival kit. It's not about being a genius in just one thing anymore. It's all about understanding the powerful intersection of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and of course, cybersecurity. So let's break it down real quick. For AI, it's about getting a handle on machine learning and knowing how to plug AI tools in to solve problems before they even happen. For cloud, you've got to know how to build and scale things on the big platforms, like Amazon's AWS or Microsoft's Azure. And for cybersecurity, well, it's about protecting the whole shebang with a trust no one or zero trust mindset. These three are the new pillars for any modern tech professional. But here's the absolute crucial point. These skills don't live in their own little bubbles. A brilliant AI model is totally useless if you can't scale it on the cloud, or if it's not secure from threats. Employers aren't looking for specialists in a silo anymore. They want people who get how all three of these domains dance together. And this brings us to a really fundamental shift in how we need to think. That whole narrative of robots are coming for our jobs, it's just outdated, and honestly, it's not very helpful. The future is all about collaboration, not replacement.
So we really have to stop asking, will AI take my job? That is the wrong question. The right question, the better question is, how will I use AI to do my job even better?
This right here captures that new mindset perfectly. It's about ditching the fear of AI as a replacement and instead embracing the reality of AI as an instrument, a powerful tool that just extends our own human capabilities.
The research firm IDC puts it beautifully. They say AI agents aren't our new colleagues, they are tools. And when we think about them that way, we can focus on what actually matters. redesigning our work to use these amazing tools for way more creativity, better insights, and a bigger impact.
I absolutely love these metaphors from EY. Instead of a threat, what if AI is your digital bodyguard, protecting you from cyber threats? Or an invisible shield that automates all the boring, routine stuff so you can focus on the work that truly needs your human brain, your creativity.
Okay, so we've seen the new reality. We understand the challenge, and we've got the new mindset. Let's finish up with a clear, actionable roadmap for how you can start future-proofing your career, like right now.
Here are 4 key steps. First, build up some basic AI literacy, and not just for the tech teams, for everybody. Second, we've got to redesign jobs around what makes us human: critical thinking, empathy, creativity. Third, companies have to invest in good, trustworthy data, and AI is only as smart as the data it learns from. And finally, and this one's for you personally, focus on constant learning and get your hands dirty with real projects. Go build something.
So, to wrap it all up, the new power trio of skills you need are AI, cloud, and cybersecurity. The future of work is people and AI working together. Just reading about it isn't enough. You need real practical experience. And maybe most importantly, your career security now really depends on your ability to think across all these different domains.
Ultimately, we have to reframe our entire perspective on this. This change, it's happening. It's happening right now. So the only real question left is, how are you going to step up, adapt, and use these incredible new tools to lead the way?